a new adventure.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching For Tech. I'm using the OxygenOS 11.08 version on my OnePlus 9RT, but yesterday at evening I got this new update notification. Hurriedly I checked whether it's the Android 12 update, but it was disappointing to me because it's for the OxygenOS 11.08 with the some changelog. But anyway, there should be welcome for the each update by OnePlus, which will definitely improve the device. So today we'll discuss about this new update changelog performance and the stability check. I got some surprising results, so watch the video till the end. I started download, and after finishing up the download I restarted the phone to install the update. I am flashing this update on unlock bootloader of my device, which was not possible on my Note 2, which is the good thing I found here. So phone rebooted, and immediately after the unlocking it's shown the update successful notification. So let's jump to the about phone. All the things are still old here, but if you see the version tab, it will show you the new OxygenOS version 11.08 with the latest kernel version of 5.4.86. If you tap on Android version, we will get the same Android 11 version Easter egg, but security patch is now updated to 5th April 2022. Old A07 version was on March security patch. Now let's check what new has been implemented in the update. As per the changelog, they improved the fluency of the desktop, means the home screen whenever you slide the screen in a certain scenarios. I don't know what was the wrong before because I didn't face such issues on the previous builds, but they fixed this as per the changelog. Important fix of this update is about the pocket mode. In the previous version, sensors are not properly working for the pocket mode. It sometimes stays the screen on even if it is in the pocket, which is fixed now. Here you can see it's working properly when I try to cover the proximity sensor. Another fix in the update is about the desktop display abnormalities after unlocking the phone in the certain scenarios. This one also not faced by me in the previous versions. Next fix is for the clock on the lock screen. If you add the clock on the lock screen, in the old version it has some issues in the display, which is now fixed. It's now displaying the clock perfectly on the always on display and on the lock screen. In the new update, they added some new display effect, or also called as animation, for the power menu pop-up, like sliding from the right to the left. So these are all the fixes in the new update along with the system stability and the improvement. So it's time to check the performance and the stability of the new update. Before checking the performance, I checked the CPU temperature, and it's in normal like 42, 43, 44 for the different CPU cores, and battery temperature was at 40 degrees Celsius. I kept the performance mode off and I run the Geekbench test, and I got good score. For the single core it is 889, and for the multi-core it is 3105, which is good score. Then I done the GPU performance test with the OpenGL drivers, and I got 4598, which is also good score. Later I enabled the performance mode and expected the high results than this, but surprisingly results was lower than the previous results. For the single core it is 767, and for multi-core it is 2917. I don't know what is the issue. Maybe it's because of the CPU temperature, which risen to the 45, 46, 47 degrees Celsius for the different CPU cores. But still there should be no such performance drop with the performance mode as per my opinion. Next I done the CPU stability test using the CPU throttle. Our device has the good capability for the CPU throttling. I kept enable the CPU temperature display in the setting of the application and ran the test for the 5 minutes. And here are the results. CPU throttle to the 83% of the maximum CPU performance. This one also got the low result than my previous test for the LineageOS and the Pixel Experience custom ROMs. Temperature of the device risen to the 53 degrees Celsius. I expected this should be better, but along with the performance, stability of the CPU also got degraded. But we can't feel the effect of such results in the day-to-day life use of the device. It will be only seen in the CPU intensive task. So this is all about the new update. We are eagerly waiting for the new OxygenOS 12 update. As soon as we get that, I will review that update also. Now if I help you, please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content for the OnePlus 9RT. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.